Greetings and welcome to another EdTech Tip with me, Ronnie Williams, your friendly neighborhood tech integrator. And today's tech tip is a Chrome extension called OneTab. OneTab is very easy to use once you get it installed from the Google Chrome App Store. It rests in your app box up here at the top of the screen. It looks like this, and it allows you to collapse all of your open tabs down into one tab, thus the name OneTab. So as you can see, I got a little tab happy today. So here's a scenario that maybe some of you are familiar with. I work hard all day long. I've got a lot of tabs going. I'm multitasking. I'm kind of bouncing back and forth in between a lot of different things. I shut it down for the day and I come back in the morning and I've got all of these tabs open, and it's a little bit frustrating and it's a little bit scary for me to start my day that way. So wouldn't it be great if there was a way to wash all of that stuff away, but to make it so it was still accessible at a later time whenever you actually needed it? Well, enter OneTab. With OneTab, you can do that. So here's the OneTab button. I want you to pay attention to what's going to happen to all of my open tabs at the top of the screen when I click this button in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there were 15 tabs that were open in OneTab, and they have all been collapsed onto this OneTab screen. I can see all of them. The descriptions are there. It's not like they're scrunched down so much that I can't see them anymore like they were when they were actually tabs. And any one of those tabs that were closed down, I can then go in and click that, and it will open back up, back into the tab right where it was, right when I left off. The other really great thing about OneTab is that whenever you collapse a bunch of tabs down into one tab, it saves that session forever. It never goes away. And you can always go back and access those things later. So that is going to wrap up this EdTech tip on the Chrome extension OneTab. I hope you find it useful. Remember, whenever you think technology support and training, you think Ronnie at Greenbush. Thank you.